MAC, the Contemporary Art Museum of University of São Paulo, is a big modern building by the Ibirapuera Park. It has great art pieces and a lot of space. But people don't know it, people don't relate to it, and sometimes they don't even see it.
MAC wants everyone to understand and interact with contemporary art, so they can enjoy the great space and famous pieces they have in the building.
For that purpose, we have been working on the concept of the creative collective floor, a place for educated and uneducated artists to work, get support and share their knowledge with the public. Then, it's also a place for people to learn and experience contemporary art. The floor is divided into 4 main areas: the workrooms, the chill-out area, the workshops, and the gallery.
We welcome in this project artists of all kinds, ages and specialities to apply for a workroom in the building. There are 15 rooms equipped with a table and a seat that are offered each year to applicants. Here you can work on your personal projects in a friendly but well-lit environment and exchange experience with fellow residents from different backgrounds and fields of expertise.
These studios are not rented but offered to the workers in exchange for a share of their knowledge. All resident artists must host a workshop every semester, making sure the public to each session is varied to include all kinds of people.
Visitors can also walk around the whole floor and be welcomed by the residents in their workplaces, so they can observe the making of art. We hope that these activities will provide interaction between general public and contemporary art, so they can relate to it and get to enjoy the rest of the museum.
On the other side of the creative collective floor, we have the Residence Gallery, a space for those who work in MAC to exhibit their pieces in a real-life museum. That gives them a chance to get spotted and to evolve their abilities.
People of all ages are welcome in the chill-out area. This room will provide a friendly environment and be a space where they meet, study and share the news.
There will also be a shared wall where visitors may hang their own pieces. This space can be used to promote the workshops and cultural events around the city. Another advantage of this project is that it includes sponsors as basic art and furniture providers, so this way MAC can create a relationship with institutions who can support further work on other parts of the museum.
It is the aim of this project to provide an entertaining and interactive art experience for all public of MAC, getting them close to the artist and empowering them with a new vision about contemporary art.
We also get to support upcoming artists and designers, giving them space and recognition in exchange for a share of their knowledge. We believe that the concept will bring a new function and life to the building, turning it from a nowhere to a special place.
It is possible to see big profit from the creative collective floor for all the parts involved. Space for all kinds of artists, knowledge and entertainment for the public, sponsors and life to MAC.
It's a win-win-win situation.